happy.
here and hold me
And one of
tight.
my
You
blessings
feel so
is, well,
warm, you feel so
bread.
right.
I bought new
Can't you
bread
see?
before payday.
Oh, this
It's
love in
212, and then
me is
I got
for
one
you.
blessing. This is
For now and always,
bottle. It's Highlands corned beef.
take
I love the
care.
taste. I think I got several free
Cause you're my
I got
baby.
4
And more,
samples of
one
the Highlands
one thing for
Highland
sure,
corned
I'll
beef, and it
be
was
your
a wonderful experience. The taste is really nice. It's tender and then it's
Let me
juicy.
take
And then
care,
good, you know what? What's
take
good
care
with
of
this
you.
free sampling? They have already rice, so it's
Let
already
me
well, it's just a blessing. I'm so grateful. That's why I'm trying to promote Highlands corned beef. Just give me a moment. To make things easier, this is the Highland I'm telling you. I'm so happy that they gave me free sample, and thank you Highlands for I'm endorsing your product on my YouTube, my social media. I hope everyone enjoys the Highland corned beef. You can use it actually in spaghetti. You can use it as a sandwich filling with mayonnaise, or just top it on rice, just like this one. See? Thank you so much, Highland Corned Beef, for just endorsing you here, and hopefully people will be buying. Thank you so much for the free sample.